Yep, it's Peanut's cake. Let's see who's here.
Here's the cake.
There's Lady.
Hi.
Ashley.
Okay. Here's
Turkey,
Lady.
who's Tariq.
Duty.
Princess, who's really Princess. Duty, who is Tyson.
My mother.
Almost forgot.
And my
Natalie.
sister. And
Lady
my
again.
big
And there's the daddy.
Ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peanut. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out.
Blow out your candle.
Can't see anything. There we go.
Very nice. What the? Why does it keep recording for no reason?
You have to put it on camera, honey.
Oh yeah, I do.
So when are you gonna cut your cake or take out your thingy?
Cupcake.
Oh, we forgot one person. I
Yes,
forgot
take
Alana was
one.
here.
No, wait. Let her take one first.
No,
Just grab it out.
stop. Said
Hold on,
stop.
mommy.
Alright.
Ooh.
Yay.
Yay.
Yeah.
Let me take a picture.
Say hi. Happy birthday, Annalise.
Yes,
Happy
she was
birthday, Annalise.
Wait a
in
second.
it. Look,
Happy birthday, Annalise.
she was in it.
Happy birthday, Annalise.
Wait a
Happy
second.
birthday, Annalise.
Alright.
Happy birthday, Peanut. Put back the cake and put the cake back in there.